not sure if it's Amazon. And if it's Amazon, I'll leave my affiliate link down below. And if it's a website, I'll leave their link down below. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Happy Memorial Day to everybody. Here we go, guys. We got an extended weekend. It's going to be a hot one today in Michigan. It's going to be like 90 something. Oh, baby. Here we go. Coming from VEEZOOM. I think this is Amazon. So either or, it'll be in the description. All you gotta do is click on a link if you like this item. Add it to your cart now and check out. And it'll ship this to you fast. It's heavy. Oops. Alright. Got a big old box. Here we go, guys. VEEZOOM. Oh, I'm not sure what this is. Nothing on the side. Alright, we'll pop this open and see what's inside. Drop it down. Open the flaps. Oh boy. Got a lot of stuff in here. Dang. Check out that. A lot of cord. Another one. What is going on here? And another one. Holy moly. And another one. Ethernet. Got like 4 VEEZOOM. Got the manual. I think this is a security camera. That's what I'm thinking, guys. Just not sure why there's so many Ethernet cables. That's a lot. Alright. Got 3 boxes. 4 boxes. And this little guy. Secure your dream. VEEZOOM. 4K Ultra HD. H.265. Power over Ethernet. Up to 12 terabyte storage. Remote view. P2P QR code. OnVIF. I've never heard of that one. Compatible. Oh, baby. Alright, like this. We're going to have to do one at a time. Figure out this as we go. So if you're looking into a new security system, this is going to be a good one to get. And a nice Father's Day gift to give. Or Christmas or a housewarming gift. So definitely check them out. If this type is not your style, see what other ones they have to offer. You never know. But I think this is going to be the good one because it'll help you with the hard drive and everything. So okay. VEEZOOM. So these must be the cameras. 2, 3, 4, power cord, and probably remote. Okay, so this is what it looks like. everything out of the box. And now we're gonna probably install this last. And then yeah, pretty much test this thing out tonight. Yeah, sorry for the late video, just had other things going on today. Spend some time with the family, you know. Oh, this is looking good. Here is a unit. Backup. Mouse. Power HDD. Oh boy. Here's where all the fun begins. HDMI, USB, alarm IO, DC, audio in and out, LAN, and there's all the Ethernets. Jeez, oh Pete. I didn't think it was going to be like this, but I'll definitely figure it out. This is my first type of camera system that I'm going to set up, so bear with me. We got some stuff here. This is all out of the box. Oh, we got a mouse. Another mouse. USB. Power. Power cord or HDMI. So that's cool. We give it HDMI. That box is empty. We're just knocking it down. Take a look at the cameras. Sorry for the long video, but I want to show you guys what they have to offer. We got weatherproof covers, screws, and a Allen wrench right there. That box is done. Ah, that's a nice little guy. Ethernet, all that good stuff. So you go ahead and take the Allen wrench and loosen this up so you could adjust it. And then now we got number 2, and it comes with a template for your drilling. And oops. Oh yeah. Got some more. Same deal setup. Same kind. All right, cool. They're all white, so it'll look good outside, matching the house. Got that. Number 3. Same thing. VEEZOOM. So number 3 right here, and the last number 4. Same thing. Got the templates, got the screws and all that good stuff. And then the last, next will be the setup. And oh, baby, this is going to be a fun time coming up. Be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers, we got it all set up now. I have 3 in night vision mode and 1 in normal mode. It's got it right there. Here is the bag, what it looks like when it's all lit up. Got my Ethernet running, and these are the cameras. Amazing, amazing technology. Definitely one of my favorite cameras I have now. And this is going to be my permanent home camera system. This is simple plug and play out of the box. And you use directly connect to 4 cameras. As you can see, I got a lot of wire. I mean, they got plenty of Ethernet cord that comes with it. And you can have more than 4. You can have up to, I think, 8. So that's really good. And the quality is amazing, clear. And I'll zoom in. I'll show you guys that. The NVR, that's this little unit right here. It is a 2 terabyte NVR unit. So plenty of storage. You could connect your mobile phone to the NVR. There's a QR on the back. All you gotta do is scan it. I'll show you it on this app. PS camera, built-in SD card slot, and mic. 5 megapixels, Ultra HD, and night vision. Waterproof is IP66 PoE camera. Outdoor, you could slow function, including AI, human, and motion detection, remote access, and device sharing. So you can have it, family, friends, people you could trust to watch over. So I got that set up in my bedroom, by my door towards the kitchen, and of course my room, and just right out the hallway. So all I gotta do, have some fun. Take this little mouse that comes with it, right there. Click on the picture, enter your password. Get it all set up. Look at that. You can go down here. There's other options. Volume. And then down here you can set the manual alarm, eventless, clear alarm, and volume, split screen, next page. You can see next camera. Live view, you could do real time. We'll switch it over to real time. Channel, and then you choose the tile settings. Go back to the home. There we go. So that's easy to do. So we are all in live stream. I thought you could talk to it. Volume. Right on top here. So this really is, right here. So you could zoom in. You could pan PTZ. So you could use that. And it's crazy. You just push the button right there, and it can move it to the right, up, down. Change the speed. But look how clear that is. It is crazy. That's right there. So, if you're interested in new home security system, this is definitely the one to get. It is Ethernet, no wireless. I would choose this over wireless any day now. I mean, you don't have to worry about no loose connections or nothing like that. But here's the app. You're going to download the VEEZOOM Pro. Same features, it pops up. And you can do that. Update. There we go. Zoom in. You can talk. We'll do Here we go. Hello. There you go. Awesome. Okay. Hello. See? That is crazy. So right there, everything's connected. I call it Starlink. You can name your own cameras. Playbacks you could check on once you record. So, like I said, check them out though. VEEZOOM on Amazon. My affiliate link will be down below. Really easy to set up, install. Definitely, this is a good one to get. And you guys be safe. Have a good night.